almost perfect. This is going to be so delicious. Ooh, just a little more. I made this just for you. Thank you, Irina.
Хватит ли тебе хлеба? Думаю, да. Это очень вкусно.
Я рада.
The snow is beautiful this year, isn't it?
It certainly is, Irina.
Just like you remember it.
Do you think they'll make it?
They always do.
Look,
What is that?
the fog. It's coming for the sheep. Look, the tracks are getting closer.
They're almost here.
I knew it.
I knew it. You feel it too?
Yes,
We fight.
we are ready.
Keep watching.
Nothing yet.
It's out there.
I know. I must see what is out there. Be careful, Irina. It's not safe in the forest. I must secure this quickly. The wind is picking up.
Keep your eyes open.
Don't worry. I am ready.
It's lit. Good. Let's move.
I see something.
Be ready. It's close.
I see something. Over there, in the trees. It moved too fast.
Keep back. Go. Back. Back, I said.
Whimper. Hold up!
Keep back!
Stay down, sheep! Get back, you beasts! Move away from here! Get down! Mikhail! To the trees! They won't give up, will they?
No, but neither will we.
We stand together. Keep back! Oh!
Take this!
We did it! It's finally over. Thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
It's over.
You're safe. We're safe.
It's okay, little one. You're safe now. Don't worry.
They came so close. But they didn't touch the herd. We are safe for now.
They're still here?
We're safe now. The flock looks peaceful. The flock looks peaceful.
Yes, they are finally calm.
Good morning, Irina.
Good morning, Mikhail.
Look at her. Isn't she beautiful today?
Yes, she is. They're all doing well.
Come on, Irina. Let's get inside.
Thank you, Mikhail.